Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your baseline: prescription, recent eye exam, and actual daily screen hours. Once done, reduce glare and set a timer for focused sessions. Start with a 5-minute warm compress to improve circulation. This relaxes lids and lashes and primes tear film. Next, perform gentle blinking and palming for 2 minutes to reset surface hydration. Make sure to record starting vision sharpness so you can track progress while you continue with the training. Now you move into the core exercises that improve focus and coordination. Begin with 10 minutes of controlled focus shifts. Switch gaze from a nearby object 30 cm away to a distant point every 10 seconds. This trains accommodative muscles. Once done, add 5 minutes of near-far drills and 3 tracking sets for horizontal and vertical smooth pursuit. Make sure to maintain upright posture, correct screen distance, and consistent sleep and nutrition, because muscle recovery and visual processing depend on overall health. To complete each session, finish with a light periorbital massage and 1 minute of palming to consolidate relaxation and tear film recovery. Continue the routine in 20-30-minute blocks once or twice daily for at least 8 to 12 weeks to see measurable change. If you notice blurred vision, persistent discomfort, double vision, or sudden worsening, stop training immediately and consult your eye care professional, because those are red flags requiring assessment and possibly medical intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.